You've made it to your 6th week with Marco. Again, you should totally be proud of yourself for making it this far. Before we get started, let's take a couple seconds to reflect. By now, you've had some time to learn what activities Marco can do and which ones you really are love-its for when you need something to help you cope. You've learned about the different ways Marco can talk to you, and maybe you found a way that really helps you day to day. So now that we've kind of gotten this surface level support, we want to go a little bit deeper through identifying negative thoughts.
Negative thoughts can have a big impact on our mood and behavior. When we have negative thoughts, we often feel down, anxious, or stressed. We may also avoid doing things that we enjoy or that are important to us.
One of the core sciences that Marco is based on is called cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. The core idea behind this is that when you find yourself in a tough life situation and you have an emotional response to it and maybe a behavioral one, such as like what you choose to do or how you react to future situations, they're joined together by a thought. And that thought is what's really causing your emotions and your behaviors. If we can identify those thoughts that are causing us emotions that aren't as pleasurable or behaviors that we don't like as much, and we can change those thoughts, it'll have a positive effect on these other things in our lives. The best way that Marco can help you identify and counteract these negative thoughts is through open talks and talk support. I encourage you to set aside just a couple minutes each day to spend some time doing open talks with Marco. This is really going to help get out these negative thoughts out in the air, out into words, so you can understand them better and understand what they're causing in your life, for better or for worse, and learn how to address them.
Once we are aware of our thoughts, we can start to challenge them. We can ask ourselves if our thoughts are realistic and helpful. We can also try to replace our negative thoughts with more positive and realistic thoughts.
And if you're not really sure where to start, just start the open talks and start an open discussion about whatever's on your mind. Marco will help guide you to understand and find those thoughts, and then suggest activities that you can do together. And if you find that it's becoming a little bit too heavy to deal with, you can always just bounce out and do something fun or uplifting or relaxing with Marco in the meantime.